it is Damon here from Deco Exchange and
Jordan from Designs by Jordan.
y'all, so I found a box of goodies that a friend sent me, and I was like, ooh, I should make Jordan use one. He's like, hey, what should I do with this? He fell right into the trap, y'all.
Right into it.
He's like, oh, that's a centerpiece for sure. I'm like, I don't see it. He's like, yeah. No. Guess what? We're getting a centerpiece.
So I started with a dough bowl. I think this came from the at-home store, and I just glued some foam, some moss.
So right now you're adding two floral stakes.
Yes, not nubs. Nubbins.
Whatever.
Yolanda.
These are floral stakes from probably Michael's or
Yeah.
Hobby Lobby. So I added some glue to her little heels. And next I'm going to get pipe cleaner. And because her legs are black, I'm going to make sure it blends in with her. So next I want to add some height behind her. So I'm going to use... So I'm going to glue this stem in the back because it's already a nice stem that's fully loaded with I'm running another pipe cleaner and tying it to that stake that I used for her leg. Which will give her a little bit more support so she doesn't lean all the way back. So I'm fluffing this stem out. I don't know where this stem came from. I don't know if it's something that you still have. But I want to draw some attention to the bottom. So I want my arrangement to come down like this and down that to the front.
Where do you get the wire cutters? DecoExchange.com. So y'all, now he's trying to kind of build like an L shape so that whenever you're looking at the centerpiece, you're looking down at an angle and then out this way.
So they are two different colors, but that's okay.
He does such beautiful work. Yeah, that's why I got him to do it. See how hard I'm working?
Sucker every time, y'all.
Everyone wants to know what a ragbow is.
We have one that you can see.
So I added some of this yellow, these little yellow flowers to her. And next, I think I'm gonna add another bush coming out to the back over here. I'm trying to see.
It's a little.
Just get a black Sharpie.
It'll come out. Like Jordan just keeps creating through all the craziness.
I know.
Yeah, everything except for the bee came from Deco Exchange, y'all. And the dough bowl. We got that from the at-home store.
How did I miss the berry hydrangea thing? Whoa.
The berries. Still can't find where to join this challenge? Just go to learnfromdamon.com and then scroll down and you'll see Expand your creativity. It's a big block.
The second block.
Doesn't look a day over 19.
Hey.
Heck yeah.
What?
This is coming out really cute. I've got 4 more of those little dolls. They're not bees.
You have 3 more.
They're not bees.
So I'm just gonna zip tie this.
Jordan, this is amazing.
Thank you.
Those are really
Yep.
cute bees.
Yeah, our Etsy shop like literally has been cha-chinging all
Yes.
afternoon. Mel's like, what is going on? And Jordan's like,
Does
that needs to be turned off.
So does the big
The little one
go?
goes in the back.
Hang on, some stuff. Okay,
That's confusing.
Yeah.
that's some interesting.
I didn't know.
DNA.
They let me know last live.
Oh.
We had some beekeepers evidently.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okie dokie.
Houston got that at like 11. He broke the door.
Oh, we're adding that one too? Whoa.
Why not?
That's 2 different bee anatomies going on. 3 actually.
We got the bumblebee.
I've had corned beef. This is my day. This is my holiday. I dressed up my kids like leprechauns.
Everyone's saying this is so good.
Woohoo!
60919 is your friend.
Mhm. I got one right here, and I think I've got one up here.
Yep, right there where your hand is. Also looking at this 3/8 of an inch. Is this an inch off?
It was. Yeah.
Sweetheart ribs.
So I think that's it. I think I'm done.
Very, very cute.
I love it.
Yep.
Okay.
It's cute.
Super
That's
stinking
done.
cute.